Old Faithful down here, I got a feeling is about to give us more fits. Everybody we've seen on this last ramp down here at Boynton today has struggled. You can tell there's a ton of seagrass or something there, and it is just absolutely slick. We've not seen many people have a real easy time. Well, actually, I'm not going to lie. We've not seen anybody have an easy time on this ramp yet. And based on that, we're not going to see it now either. Welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here at Boynton Beach. And so our guy's going to back up, I guess, and try and run it up one more time. So you don't want to pull a Mikey and get into an argument down here. I don't know what that was about. So he's coming back over to the bow eye on the trailer. And was he trying to pull it a little further forward to get a little more weight on it? He's got a few people here on the dock. There's the kid that was just dropped off. There's two ladies that are with him up there. I mean, he could easily throw 3 or 4 people in the back of this truck and see if he can get it pulled out that way. So tries kicking a little bit of the debris from underneath the tires, but I don't think that's going to be anywhere close to enough to do it. But his first attempt wasn't he didn't get very far, so they're going to have to try something a little different for sure. So backs it back down again. What is he doing? So back over to the bow eye. I mean, it's not a bad approach to try and get it further up on the trailer. That will add more weight to the back tires. I'm not sure that's what he's doing. No, he's getting back on the dock. I mean, and that would be another option as well. Let one of the ladies drive. He can try and power it off. And here we go, somebody else stuck on another dock as well. It's been brutal down here today. As you can tell, this grass is on every single one of the lanes. And this crew will get it off on that attempt. So our guy's pulling off the trailer. Yeah, it looks like he's going to abandon this ramp and try his luck at one of the other ones. Now, I'm not going to lie, in this situation, it's probably not a terrible idea because the other ramps have been a little nicer than this one. But man, as we just saw the last truck, I've seen almost everybody struggle on all these ramps the last several days down here. It's just been extremely slick. But he's going to carry this thing over and try another spot. And we're going to try and pull it out from a different ramp and see if we have a little better luck. But it's interesting to see him go to this dock when he just watched somebody else struggle to get off of it. I probably would have went to the last one. And his girlfriend, wife, or whoever it is walking down the dock just looked at him and said the same thing. Hey, this one on the end looks a lot better. So they decide not to go with the one that looks a little better, and I probably would have gone with that one. I would have gone on the end. That seemed to have the most success. But our guy was right here, decided, hey, this is good enough, and they're going to reload and try it from here. I do, however, I mean, if I was coming down here, I still don't know why they didn't take the last one. The girl that's with them's correct. I mean, there's just less grass on that last dock. It's not coming that far down. There's so many docks out here that are blocking it before it gets there that we've seen more success down there than we have any of these other docks. And then the ones that are closed, I mean, they've got potholes and all kinds of stuff in them, and you're not getting off on any of those anymore. So kind of misses on the first try on getting it on the trailer. Gonna try and line it up this time, though. But it looks like they've got it on there, so we're going to try it again. But as we said, we saw the last person on this one struggle to get off on this dock as well. Let's see if this crew has any more luck. So here we go, ready to try it again. Attempt number 1 after moving to a completely different dock, having to reload the trailer, and our guy's still stuck. And, I mean, he's not in a whole lot better spot than he was on the dock he originally started on. There is less grass here, so he's got a better shot, I think, of getting off. I don't think he was getting off down on the other one. Tries giving her a little heck right there, but nothing more than spinning some tires. So he just, are they too close to the dock? Are they stuck on the dock with the well? I can't tell. I mean, they definitely walked down there just to look at something. I don't think they're that close. That can't be it. Backs up a little bit. Here we go. Gonna get a little hand from a good Samaritan off the dock. I don't know why the ladies didn't jump in the back of the truck as well. And that might be all he needs. He's getting a little grip. Oh, starting to slip again. But no, our crew finally is gonna get over the hump and they'll be able to get out of here after a pretty long event for this crew. But they're on their way. And speaking of on their way, we're gonna go ahead and get on our way as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where me and a machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.